Hier. Laten we die erbij. Caralho!
What's that?
Groovy, jazzy, funky, bounce, dance as we take you on a ride at 93. Come on, 94, inside right now. I MC, now rap pop, talk determine what is hot. Over the years, I still love when the beat drops. I show and prove, I stick and move. Lot of poems, recitals, I Herbie Hancock crew. Hancock's my block, true. Brooklyn, London, agent to African treat. Us three, usher me through. Brace yourself, us three, take share. Fantasia.
Drake.
Feel the beat bop, jazz and hip hop. Now we got black rock, neo soul. It don't stop if you don't know the roots of the tree. You don't know the branch where the fruit will be. And if I speak from my soul, my lawn shows potholes on Cantaloupe Island, but my speech will roll. Can't arrest my development, veg is in control. Mr. Wings, if you're nasty, flash me, girl. Oh, back to the fact, my habitat is in the wax. Embedded needle in the groove, call me a poet. Poem steady growing, flowing, showing sights and sounds. Soothed in the groove, invitation I found. Hip hop is toured, who belief has soared to an infinite height beyond the realm of the hardcore. Here we go, us three, take share. Fantasia. In the jam on US walls you stand. Culture intersects in England, they still dance. Cuba and Japan where they love the mic master of the ceremony, speaking words like a pastor. Capitalism stuck. Still rocking Nike, Diesel, and Evisu a star. I might be. Scribble words like Scrabble on the mic. I never babble. My life is like the words in it into my puzzle. Yes, yes, yes. Regiments next. Get with the flow. Us three, we blessed. Resistance vibe from here to Asia. Fantasia.
Traduisez si bien la chanson de la poule à l'heure du pendant. Amandine? Amandine?